we're gonna make some money today. So let me talk to you folks about how you can make up to $100 a day chatting with people in the fitness community. Seriously, this is super targeted. This is a free traffic method, doesn't cost any money, and you can make a lot of money. In this video, I'm gonna show you a site that has 7 million users purely focused in the fitness industry, super targeted. You can send messages for free, and you can make money by selling them supplements or ebooks or e-courses about fitness or whatever. Now, I'm gonna be showing you a method to make money from this audience, offering them products that they already want, and you can do this from any country in the world, no matter what age you are. You can be 13-year-olds, you can be 1,300 years old, and you can make money one of 3 ways. You can get a wire sent to your bank account, you can get a check sent to your address, or you can get a PayPal deposit sent to your PayPal account. Whatever way you want, I'm gonna be showing you exactly, step by step by step, how to make money doing this. I'm gonna be showing you from my computer, folks, exactly how to make this method happen. So follow along, take this seriously, turn your phone on landscape mode, or get on your laptop even better, and follow along. This is gonna be pretty exciting. Hello? Sorry, you need more money. The internet needs more money. Okay, we're gonna get you more money. I'm on it. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make $100 daily chatting with people, fitness folk, super targeted audience, 7 million users, niche website, unsaturated, any country in the world, no tech skills. You can do this no matter what age you are, no matter what country you are, don't need to own a company, don't need to do customer service, don't need to spend any money, and you can sell them 2 things, ebooks, supplements. Let's get on this. I'm gonna show you right here on my computer exactly how you can make this happen. You can get paid a couple different ways. Now, first, let me describe exactly how this process works. So first off, there's 3 things you need to know. All marketing abides by these 3 principles. You need people to sell. You need a group of people to sell a product to. You need a place to sell them. This is a post, okay? You need some sort of sales material. The people, we're gonna find them on a site called bodybuilding.com, and I'll show you this site in a second. I'll show you where to post on this site in just a second, and I'll give you some templates towards the end of the video that you can use line by line to actually post and make money from these folks. And you need a product in which to sell people. Now, the product we will be selling these people is an ebook called Work at Home Secrets. This was written by me. It's something that everybody wants. It goes over how you can work at home. What the great thing is about people who are in the fitness industry is they're all into self-improvement. They're all into improving themselves. They're all into trying to make themselves better in some ways, and everybody wants to work at home. They don't want to be stuck in a day-to-day job. And this book helps them, and it costs $1 out of somebody for this book will earn you $35 a month. That sounds ridiculous. John's crazy, but I'm gonna show you exactly how. Let's get to my computer. I love making money from the internet, and we're gonna get into this too. So we're gonna go about this in the opposite way. So first, we're gonna start with getting a product. The product we're gonna sell is my book, but we need to join an affiliate network in order to get a link. That's what we need to get, because the affiliate networks are gonna pay us money. They're gonna pay us through either PayPal, bank wire, or check. If you have an address, a PayPal account, or a bank account, you'll get paid. If you don't, you probably shouldn't be using the internet. You should probably be focused on other stuff, unsubscribe from my channel, whatever. I don't know, you have other more pressing issues to handle in your life. So first, we're gonna join an affiliate network. I'll be showing you the best one to join in a second. Number 2 is we're gonna write a post. And third is gonna be a post on bodybuilding.com, and we're gonna post it up and people will view it. They'll go to our link, they'll buy just a small percentage. But what's great is this is all tested, folks. Not everybody's gonna click on the post. Not everybody's gonna click on the link, but a certain percentage do, and it's a predictable percentage. And you write enough posts, you send enough messages, and you make money. It's not an exact science, but there are numbers. There are proven numbers. So law of numbers is you write enough messages, you start making money. That's all there is to it. So now one of the links in the description will allow you to join Digistore. You'll want to go to johncristani.com/digi, or you could go to johncristani.com/resource, as you see on my screen right here, and it'll bring you to this page right here, which will show you the top affiliate networks to join. I put in bold Digistore because it is my #1 recommended affiliate network, and this has links to all of my products. And once you click Digistore, you will go here where you can either sign up for an account. They accept people from all countries in the world, and you'll fill out a bunch of information. Notice that company does not have an asterisk next to it. I get a lot of questions about this. It is not required. If it had an asterisk next to it, it would be required, but it's not. So you don't have to have a company. You just need to have a first name and a last name. Those are required. So once you're signed up, you will go over to the marketplace right here. Over on the top right side of the screen, you'll click Marketplace, and you can find the product that you will be selling, which is this book called Work at Home Secrets. It's a workbook that has exercises, and it has a lot of different resources of how you can make the transition from working a job to working at home. It also goes over what scams are out there to avoid, because a lot of people who try to make the transition of working a job to working at home fall victim to a lot of scams along the way. So I go over all of that and more in this book. This book is the blueprint to working at home, and you can sell it to people. You can offer it to people for $1 and make back a lot more than that. So how we can find this product in Digistore in order to sell it is you can either search and click search for my last name, which is Crestani. I'll spell that out for you, Crestani. It's Italian. My great-grandparents are from Northern Italy. Or you can go over here to Internet Marketing and E-Business category right there. And we'll click on that. And under this category, you see a number of different products. There's 5 results. One is the book that you will be selling, Work at Home Secrets, right there, offering a 90% commission. There are some other products down here, including my mainstay product, which is my 6-week course teaching people paid advertising called the Super Affiliate System, which offers 50% commission or $500 per sale. So either way, whatever you choose, I suggest for this purpose, you want to select this one because it's much easier to get somebody to spend $1 than it is to get people to spend $1,000. And whenever you get somebody to spend $1 buying this book, you actually end up making $35 recurring commission. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So the sales page for my product, as you see, it says start working from home today. And you can go down here and click the button. While the product cost is only $1, the monthly cost is $39 a month. This is made clear if you actually read through the sales page as well. It's made very clear to the customer as well. $39 a month, you get 90% of that. So really, I'm making like pennies here. But basically, $39, you get $35 a month. And that adds up over time. You get enough customers and you will be able to replace your current income. Now, how fast can you replace your current income? Well, if you get one person to spend $1 every day, you will be making $1,000 recurring income with my product. If you get 2 people a day spending $1 to buy my book, you will end up getting $2,000 a month income. So that's how this works out. You create recurring income by getting people into my training program, because ultimately what we're doing here is we're helping people transition from working in jobs, which are less cost effective because the companies have to buy real estate and, all this other stuff, office space and food and liability insurance. Instead, you're helping people work in crowdsourced type positions and work from home, which is what people want anyways. They want to hang out with their kids. They, want to be lazy. They want to wake up late. So we're helping people work from home and make that transition. It's a big transition happening in society right now, and we're helping people do that. That's what everybody wants to do. Who doesn't want to do that? Who does not want to work from home? If you do not want to work from home, please comment below. I don't know what to say if you don't want to work from home. It seems crazy. So to get our link to promote this product, you're going to want to click right here, okay? So we'll click right here and we will click copy. We'll highlight that link and we'll click copy right there. And I'm going to open up a notepad and I'm actually going to post it in a little notepad right here so that I can just save it, just so it's handy so I can copy it later into a message. Now, the next step I'm going to do is notice that this link is kind of big and ugly. It doesn't look very clickable. It looks kind of scammy. To fix that, I'm going to go to a site called bit.ly.com. So as you see, it says bit.ly. So we'll go down here. We'll paste in our link. Notice that's my affiliate link. And we'll go over here to click shorten. Click shorten. Here's our new link. We will click copy and we will go down here, short link. And there's our short link. Perfect. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to go to a site called bodybuilding.com. Bodybuilding.com has an audience of over 7 million people focused purely on fitness. Look at those thunder thighs right there. Those are huge. And it's because she's been working out. That's why she looks so beautiful. So we want to make sure we join the forum, okay? So we're going to go over into the community right here. So notice there's a community tab right there that we can market to people for. So we're going to click community. And what you want to do is you want to join the community. See, it says join the world's largest online fitness community. And why this actually really helps us out is because we want to get into rapport with people. Rapport is spelled R-A-P-P-O-R-T. Rapport means you want to get in conversation with people. And generally speaking, if you just message a random stranger on Facebook, it might be a little more difficult to connect with them because you're 1 out of 2 billion users on Facebook, right? Whereas if you message somebody else who's in a fitness community, it means you're part of a little group, right? How many people here have heard of bodybuilding.com? Type in yes in the comments below if you have. Type in no if you haven't. My assumption is most people haven't heard of bodybuilding.com. I haven't. I consider myself reasonably into fitness. I mean, look, I'm wearing like a Nike, a Nike shirt. I'm wearing Nike shoes. I'm wearing like ASRV like pants. I'm wearing all fitness clothes. I haven't even heard of bodybuilding.com, but this is the fitness community. So if you're part of this community, you're actually in instant rapport with other people in the community. So you want to talk to people here because it gives you an in, and that in is important, especially if your intention is to sell a product and make commissions. Because once again, we're trying to make money here. We want to help out our family. We don't want to be driving an hour a day each way to work. We don't want to be living life not on our own terms. So this gives us a very easy way to get into conversation with people. Let's get into it. So here we are on bodybuilding.com. And once again, you're going to want to open up the resource document that I gave you, which is johncristani.com/resource. And you're going to want to open up right here where it says session-based messaging. Notice that link right there. And we're going to want to open that up and check out the messages. I have a number of message templates that you can send people. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in to bodybuilding.com. So I just signed up for bodybuilding.com and there's 7 million members here. So realistically speaking, if every one of my subscribers sent 30 messages, we'd be able to cover every person here, which would be really exciting. Realistically speaking, let's say 10,000 people will see this video. So really, if each of us sends 700 messages, we will be able to hit everybody here and make some serious cashola. So sell this book, make $1, and we'll be able to make a lot of money together. What we can do here is we can really just start messaging random people. And here, I'll just open up random profiles of people here. We have Karina from Knoxville, Texas. Geez, she looks good. But really what we're interested is in not just messaging her, but we can message a bunch of the people that have left comments on her profile. It looks like these just keep going. So we'll just open in new tab, open in new tab, open in new tab. Look at all these creepy fitness guys, creepy fitness girls, or not creepy fitness girls. But we're opening up a bunch of tabs, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna send them all. We're gonna go right here where it says more, this guy Hot Rod Poe, and we're gonna leave him a comment. We're gonna click more, leave comment, and we're gonna write him a comment right here. So where we'll get the comment from is we'll get it from here. Hey, I saw you were looking to add a little extra income to being a fitness person. Check out this training. It helped me a lot. Change up this message that I had written in the help document. I'm just going to delete this person because it's not profession based. And then I'm going to change out my short link for this link. So notice that I just replaced a few things. And then I'm just gonna copy this message. See right here. Hey, I saw you're looking to add a little extra income. Or maybe I'll say this. I see you're interested in improving your body. Are you also interested in improving your income? Check out this training. It helped me a lot. So we're gonna copy this message right here. So I just changed up the message a little bit, and feel free to change up the messaging and see what works the best for you. And I'm just gonna message this to every single person that I can. I'm not a robot. post comment. It says 1 comment allowed every 20 seconds. Okay, so it looks like to post the comment, you have to remove the HTTPS. So I'm just gonna remove the HTTPS. So we're just gonna copy this message and we're gonna keep posting this over and over and over again until we hit 700 people. So boom, we're gonna message again, boom. And some of you may be thinking, well, what if my account gets beat for spamming? We can only post a message once every 30 seconds. Now, this is what we do, and we do this over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. Every 30 seconds, we can post 120 messages an hour with this message. And you might be thinking, well, what if my account gets shut down for spamming? Guess what? It doesn't matter. What if you get 10 sales? That's $350 extra a month. What matters with this method is that I'm giving you a targeted way to get in touch with people. I'm giving you a message template that works, and you have to send it out as often as possible to as many people as possible, and you will start earning money. Once again, the math on this all is that in order to get $100 a day chatting with fitness folk, you need to convince 3 people to spend $1 to buy this book, to help them live their dream and work from home. How many other people out there are trying to help you live your dream? How many other people out there are actually listening to you, trying to help you become the best version of yourself you can possibly be and reach your goals? Now, you may end up having conversations with people, whatever you need to do to get them to spend $1 to get closer to their true purpose of being able to work from home, from spending time with their children, of spending time with maybe their sick mother or father, of maybe helping them not have to do that daily commute, which is filled with anxiety, not having to do all the annoying stuff that comes with working in a job and having a boss. Now you do this every day. You convince 3 people to spend $1 every single day. You have a $100 a day income, $3,000 a month. I've given you 90% commission. I've given you everything you need. I've given you an audience of 7 million people. And if you are in to put this into action, type in I'm in, type I'm all in the comments below if you're ready to make this work, because this is easy. You have a hyper-targeted audience of people who have not been hit with affiliate links, and you have it all right there in front of you, and you can make $100 a day. You can be free. I'm giving you 90%. There's very little in this for me and everything in this for you. So sell my book, right? No, but seriously, this is a huge opportunity, and I hope you guys take advantage of this. I have students all over the world making tons of money, and I'm really excited to show you these targeted ways of getting messages out. And if you're interested in more targeted ways of sending out messages and getting templates, type in "show me more" in the comments below. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want more make money videos, more videos that show you A to Z how to start an online business and start making money without spending any money whatsoever. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like the video, and if you have any questions, comment, because we're in this together. The more money you make, the more money I make. There are no stupid questions here, unless you're asking like, does this work in Kenya? Because I already answered that. It means you didn't watch the video. Please unsubscribe from my channel. But other than that, I really look forward to helping you make a lot of money on this method, put it into action, get these 7 million messages out there. Come on, folks. We have 7 million messages to send. Are you with me? Okay, and last thing, I actually have a little personal question is, what are your thoughts of what we do with the community? I'm considering doing a few things to build a stronger community here. I'm considering a Reddit, I'm considering a Discord, and I don't know what else, but let me know in the comments below if you think we should have a Reddit subthread or a Discord or something else. Type it in below what we should do for the community, because I really want to help more people make more money. Again, my goal this year is to become the #1 marketing teacher in the world. Talk to you soon. Have a great day, and let's make some money.